select very light color and reduce the diameter, right? And then click here or here. Alright, so let's begin with this merge tool. Right click, select smudge tool. Let me change the brush to a softer brush, increase the diameter a little. Okay, now let me zoom in and show you what exactly happens when I use this merge tool. Right? First, let me click here and then drag. Again, click here and then drag. Click here, drag. Click here and drag. Right? This was the original image, and after that it goes boom. Right? It just drags the pixels. Can always move this to the center. Can press Ctrl and click here. Then give some feathers. Say 5. Click OK, and then select inverse. Let me select the marquee tool first. Select inverse and then delete. And now right click and click on deselect. I can always resize it. And then let's go ahead and use the type tool and then add a name or by. Let me resize it. 12. Right. Then oops, that's it. And you can always add your names and stuff, or you can bring in an image here. Let's try bringing in an image. Let's select this. Let's make a selection here. Let's come over here and then delete. Let me deselect. Let me select this move tool, just drag and drop. Oops, the color is changed. Right, so let me double click here, click OK and delete. Alright, now the background is gone. Let me select this and drag and drop. Let me delete this layer right here. Let me select this layer. Can place the iPod here. Alright. Okay. Seems like a nice wallpaper. They have nothing pre-planned, so you'll have to excuse me with the designs and color choosing. Alright. So hope you have learned almost all the tools here. So let me save this image. Let me save it as save for web. When you save it for web, the size of the image decreases and the quality remains the same. Right? Let me save it as wall. And let me open the folder, open the image and set it as background. Let's see. Let me minimize. Alright, so here is the wallpaper. Right, so let's try removing this iPod from here and placing the other image as the wallpaper. Let me remove it and then save for web. Wallpaper. here is the wallpaper, right? So let me close this image. Let me close this also, and you have almost learned all the tools available, right? Path selection, pen tool, rectangular tool. Let me brief you about these tools right here. Let me open a new file and then select the rectangle tool. Again, it's used to draw shapes, right? Just draw shapes. Let me make a new layer, select, and with Control Enter, there is a selection made. It just draws the area, and again you can make a selection by pressing Control Enter. Similar way, the rounded rectangular tool, just draw here, press Control Enter, this selection is made, right? The similar way with the rest of the tools. And you have different shapes right here, all different shapes. Control Enter, and you can always fill in a color inside, and then select the marquee tool and then deselect, right? So these are the basic tools that you would have to know to start up with Adobe Photoshop. Okay, so we have covered almost all the tools in Adobe Photoshop. That is the basic tools that you need to know. And future tutorials I would be teaching you about the filters, right? How to use the filters in different areas, and I would be creating a tutorial to create wallpapers, editing images, photographs, and etc. And I would like to thank my friends, to provide. They have really been helpful in providing the room wherein I can create a tutorial. And thanks to one of my friend who lend me this amazing software to create this tutorial. And for any requests and updates, you can always log on to changedaworld.com. And I do have an group there named Photoshop Freaks. You can find all the updates, and you can join the group and place in your requests, and I would just check, and I can see if I can help, and I would surely help. I'm here to help you people. Alright, so this is the website. Let me log in. This is my email ID, and you can feel free to contact me anytime. This website is basically to showcase your talents, right? So that is what I'm doing. I'm here to showcase my talent, and there are a lot of members. And click on the groups option. You can find my group. That's the Photoshop Freaks, and I would be updating. Currently I have not posted any topic, so I would be posting these videos right here, and I would be updating. And you can always come back here anytime and check for updates, right? And post your requests, and I'm always here to help again. And thank you so much for being a part of changedaworld.com. Have fun. Thanks.